How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the random class in Java. So it's going to be pretty short. So first we need to import our random class. So import.java.util random. Then in our main method we're going to have random rand is equal to new random. Then we're going to create a variable called number. So int number. And then we're going to create a for loop. All right, then we're going to print out three random numbers. So we're going to have number set to rand.next int. So if we use rand.next int, it's going to print out very large random numbers. All right, so for our test run, we're going to have system out print number colon, then we're going to have plus number. Yeah, like I said. All right, so now we're going to set a bounds up to 3. So our system out number plus number. So it's going to print out numbers from 0 to 2. So in order for us to get it from 1 to 3, we're going to have number is equal to rand.next int 3 plus 1. So it's always going to move our random number up 1, so we can have 1 through 3. All right, this time we have 1, 2, 3. So that's how you use the random class in Java. All right, thank you for watching.